Great. They say when another party is happy, then is a bad situation for another party. What do I mean? This is a time where employees they are happy because guess what? They are going to get their salary this month or at the end of this month, and this is the time where our fellow accountants they have a lot of pressure of processing the payroll. Some of them they are working in the companies where they have not invested so much in the payroll system, and they use the excels to maintain or to yes to prepare their payroll. And what they normally do is that they go to the website, check the website which has been put in place there so that they can be able to calculate these statutory deductions. When I talked about statutory deduction, I know you know pay, NSSF, SHA, and all that. So they go to this website so that they can calculate. So you see, it is a quite challenging task for this accountant. If this my fellow accountant is working for a manufacturing company, a big company with more than 100 employees or 50 employees, let's give a minimum of 50 employees in that list, and they don't have the system, it will take you the whole day, a lot of pressure, a lot of anxieties calculating the pay. You don't know whether you are correct or wrong, right? If you don't have the correct system. So you see, it is an happiness with another person. Then on the other side, it is making another person not to feel good. And so if you look at this thing, then we need to think as a solution, because we always as an accountant we need to provide the financial solution and also the planning solution for each and every company. So what do we do? Then you have to develop the payroll system in Excel. Be a creative for you to develop a payroll system in Excel which can be able to gather all this information and calculate this information by the click of enter button. Let me show you how this payroll work. If you go to the section, the worksheet 1, where it is written the database, this is where we import or we fill the data of our employees. Once you fill this data of our employees, the name, the KRA number, NSF number, the account number, the basic pay, that is one worksheet. Then we go to the second worksheet, which is called the current month. This is where you will be able to calculate your deduction, or this is the section where you'll be able to get all your deductions, the net pay. And this section called the current month, we have not attached any key in data. You don't key in any data in this section, because this we get the data from the database, and then we extract to this current month so that we can be able to auto populate our or auto calculate our our figures in this section. So we do the auto calculation of pay, NSSF, the SHA, and also the housing levy. And then from there, so you find that we have the section of the basic pay, the benefits, and then we have the taxable income, which we'll be able to use it to calculate our pay. And then we have other deduction that is in the current month worksheet. And then we have another worksheet which is called the KRA worksheet. This is where you will find the report of the total of pay. And then in this section also, there is no any keying of information. You don't need to key in any information. You get this data from the current month. So we are going to auto populate from the current month to this current sheet called the KRA worksheet, where you will get this is a report which it is help you to reconcile whatever you have in the current month is corresponding is the same as what you have in the KRA worksheet, and also it will be the same as what you will upload in the iTax. So let's have a look at this how it looks like. So if you want to get this payroll, we only give this payroll at a cheaper price, at a pocket price, and you just click that link. You can be able to download that payroll, or you can reach us out through WhatsApp, through the email, or even through the call, and we'll be able to respond immediately. We solve these problems together. We manage your stress, and we all be happy.